everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today's video, I will teach you how to download any application on your desktop. So without further ado, let's start. So first, click Google and then type you want to download that app. Example, I want to download Pinterest, so type it. Click the link of Pinterest download and click free download, and again and click this button. It's loading, so it's already done. So click, so wait for it, and then here, so click get and wait for it. So wait for it, and then there he go, already done. I hope that videos can help you. Thanks for watching. Thank you and goodbye.